Here's a quick video on how to change the filter on the Penguin Cold Therapy chiller with the ice barrel bracket. So first thing, when it comes time to change the filter, you want to make sure that the pump and the chiller is unplugged so you don't have water flowing through the pipes. As soon as the system is unplugged, go ahead and press this red button on the top. That is a pressure release valve. That'll put a little bit of air into here, make it easier to open. There is a filter wrench that comes with this. You can use that. This is loose, so I'm not going to use the wrench, but basically all you're going to do is turn this to the left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You're going to unscrew this, use the wrench if you need to, and then this opens up. You pull out the dirty filter. Any water that's in here, it's dirty. You want to dump that out. Give this a quick rinse with hydrogen peroxide, or you can use a mild dish soap or any just cleaner that you have on hand. Make sure to rinse out any cleaners before you fill it back up. Once you're ready, you can dunk this into the ice barrel to fill it up with cold water. One thing to make sure about, well, it's staying in there. It's seated really nicely, but if you see that black gasket, that gasket needs to be in here. So it's important to have that in place. So make sure this doesn't get dumped out into the yard when you dump out the dirty water. So the black gasket is there. You're going to put the new filter, the clean filter, back into the canister housing. And then all you're going to do is just screw this thing back to the cap on the filter. This filter housing only needs to be screwed to the cap hand tight. There is a gasket in there, so you don't need to, do not use the wrench. Hand tight only. So once this is in place, righty-tighty, you're good to go. Plug the chiller back in and you'll have a nice clean filter. These filters need to be changed once every 1 to 4 weeks. You might need to change it as frequently as 1 week at a time, or every 1 week. You might be able to get away with 2, 3, or 4 weeks. Never go more than 4 weeks without changing the filter, because algae can start to grow inside here and things get kind of slimy and disgusting. So if you have any questions, let me know.